Next thing we're going to show you is how to replace the PAB unit. This is the main board right here to which all the different shelves are connected. And first we need to expose the PAB, and we need to take this top plate off, and it's just 2 screws, one here and one here, that we need to take off. Once we undid these 2 screws, we can just pull the thing to this side and lift it up, and just so you'd see the back of it. There are 2 latches here that attach to the bottom side here, and this is how it grabs its way to position. So before we going to take this apart, we need to first disconnect the USB cable, USB Type-C. We need to disconnect the LED for the Shekel logo at the front, and we need to take this off. Be gentle with this connector right here. Make sure you don't hurt these wires. And then for taking off the PAB unit, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 screws that we're going to undo. 3 screws. 1, 2, 3. And this whole board will just going to come right outside. Well, assume that we have taken this out and put a new unit back in. We redid the screws. Once we have replaced the PAB board and we have reattached it with its screws, we're going to connect the cables. Remember, we have the power cable. Next, we have the USB Type-C cable. And last but not least, the cable for the LEDs for the Shekel logo in the front of the side box. Okay, all 3. Next we're gonna attach back the plate. So we're gonna put it in diagonal, first from the back, pull it up, and push it back in so the latches here will lock into place. And then all we have to do is to reattach the 2 screws.